Ginger, a humble root with a warm, spicy aroma, has been cherished for centuries in kitchens and apothecaries around the world. From ancient Chinese medicine to traditional Indian Ayurveda, ginger's reputation as a healing powerhouse is as enduring as its distinctive flavor. Today, modern science continues to confirm what our ancestors knew all along. Ginger isn't just a flavorful addition to your meals, it's a treasure trove of health benefits waiting to be unlocked. Let's embark on a journey to discover everything you need to know about ginger's remarkable powers, how to incorporate it into your daily routine, and the science that supports its many uses. To understand ginger's health potential, it helps to know what's inside. Ginger's magic lies in its unique combination of natural compounds, most notably gingerol, shogayol, and zingerone. These bioactive substances are responsible not only for ginger's signature bite, but also for its potent medicinal properties. Gingerol, in particular, is a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent, playing a central role in many of ginger's health-boosting effects. One of ginger's most celebrated benefits is its ability to soothe digestive discomfort. For centuries, people have reached for ginger tea or ginger chews to calm an upset stomach or fight off nausea. Studies have shown that ginger can be effective in alleviating various forms of nausea, from morning sickness in pregnancy to motion sickness, and even the side effects of chemotherapy. By speeding up the emptying of the stomach and calming the digestive tract, ginger helps restore balance and comfort. But ginger's impact on digestion doesn't stop there. It can also be a gentle, yet effective remedy for bloating and indigestion. When meals leave you feeling too full or uncomfortable, a cup of ginger tea can stimulate digestive juices, enhance enzyme activity, and help your body process food more efficiently. This makes ginger a wise companion both before and after eating, especially if you're prone to digestive issues. Beyond its benefits for the gut, ginger's anti-inflammatory properties have made it a natural ally for people suffering from joint pain and arthritis. Chronic inflammation is at the root of many modern ailments, and ginger's ability to dampen inflammatory responses in the body can offer relief. Several studies have found that regular consumption of ginger can reduce pain and improve mobility in people with osteoarthritis, particularly in the knees. While ginger may not replace conventional treatments, it can be a valuable complement for those seeking natural ways to manage discomfort. Ginger's antioxidant power also extends to supporting a healthy immune system. In a world where colds, flu, and viral infections are common, ginger's ability to bolster your body's defenses is more relevant than ever. The compounds in ginger work to neutralize harmful free radicals, reduce oxidative stress, and strengthen your body's natural barriers against illness. Many people swear by a hot ginger infusion at the first sign of a sore throat or sniffle, and for good reason. It may help reduce the severity and duration of symptoms. Another fascinating area of research is ginger's impact on heart health. Some studies suggest that ginger may help lower cholesterol levels, reduce blood pressure, and prevent the formation of dangerous blood clots. By supporting healthy blood flow and reducing inflammation in blood vessels, ginger can play a role in maintaining cardiovascular wellness. While more research is needed to fully understand these effects, incorporating ginger into a balanced diet is a small step with potential big rewards for your heart. Blood sugar regulation is another field where ginger shows promise. Preliminary studies indicate that ginger can help improve insulin sensitivity and lower fasting blood sugar levels, which may be beneficial for people at risk of type 2 diabetes. By supporting healthy metabolism and reducing markers of metabolic syndrome, ginger contributes to a holistic approach to wellness, particularly when combined with other healthy lifestyle choices. Let's not forget about ginger's potential to ease menstrual discomfort. Many women experience painful cramps and mood swings during their monthly cycle, and ginger's calming anti-inflammatory properties can provide natural relief. Some clinical trials have found that ginger supplements or ginger tea can be as effective as over-the-counter pain relievers for reducing menstrual pain without the risk of side effects. So, how can you unlock the full spectrum of ginger's health benefits in your own life? Fortunately, ginger is as versatile as it is potent. Fresh ginger root can be sliced, grated, or rouge or minced and added to a variety of dishes, from stir-fries and soups to smoothies and baked goods. Its bright, warming flavor enhances both savory and sweet recipes, making it easy to incorporate into your culinary routine. For a soothing drink, try steeping a few thin slices of fresh ginger in hot water to make a comforting tea. Add a squeeze of lemon and a spoonful of honey for added flavor and extra immune support. If you prefer a more concentrated option, ginger juice or ginger shots are popular choices, especially for those seeking a quick boost. Powdered ginger is another convenient way to enjoy its benefits. Sprinkle it into oatmeal, yogurt, or marinades, or use it in baking to create spice treats like gingerbread or muffins. For those on the go, ginger supplements in capsules or chewable forms are widely available. But it's always wise to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen, especially if you have underlying health conditions or take medications. While ginger is generally safe for most people, it's important to use it in moderation. Consuming large amounts of ginger, especially in supplement form, can sometimes lead to mild side effects like heartburn or digestive upset. Pregnant women, people with gallstones, or those taking blood-thinning medications should be especially cautious and seek advice from a healthcare provider. Ginger's legacy as a healing root is well-deserved. Its remarkable ability to support digestion, ease inflammation, boost immunity, and promote overall wellness makes it a true superfood. Whether you're enjoying it in a steaming mug of tea, a zesty stir-fry, or a soothing dessert, every bite or sip brings you closer to unlocking the full spectrum of ginger's health benefits. As you explore the many ways to use ginger, remember that the journey to better health is about small, consistent choices. Let ginger be one of your daily allies, warming your palate, comforting your body, and nourishing your well-being from the inside out.